Welcome to CEO Vision, an immersive intelligence platform. In this demo, we've created a portfolio selection system to illustrate a simple use case of our system. Our example dataset consists of price data since January 2008 for about 200 of the top US equities by market capitalization. The main chart wall shows thumbnails of the full-size charts we've created for each asset. The wall is also represented in these three maps, each showing the stock's values for a single variable. Today we're using sector, risk-adjusted returns, and correlation of returns to the S&P 500 benchmark via the SPY ETF. Each map also lets us sort the stocks by the variable it represents. Selecting a stock locks the main chart in place. The right-hand plot tracks the price relative to the start of our data. We can turn on an SPY benchmark plot to compare performance. The lower plot shows volatility, measured as the price range over each 10-day period, and the center plot combines the other two, with a path that traces out both the price and volatility over time. Returning to the default ordering by market cap, let's try to build a portfolio. Say we're interested in smaller stocks but high risk-adjusted return. The Sharpe ratio map helps us choose some suitable stocks, which for this simple demo are added to the portfolio with equal weighting. Suppose we want this particular portfolio to have quite a high correlation with the SPY benchmark. Sorting by the beta map makes it easy to see what beta values we've chosen. We might then decide to swap two of the low beta stocks for ones that have higher beta, and that also appear with the dark red associated with high risk-adjusted return. The plots and figures shown in green relate to the portfolio as we specified it. The system can also automatically suggest other portfolios that might be of interest. The simple method used here has found two subset portfolios that would have had much lower volatility in recent years. Looking over at the drama seen in the timeline carousel starting in late 2008, we might want to examine how the stocks picked for our portfolio weathered the crisis. We set a focus point in January 2009, and the main chart shows a repeating replay of the movements of our stocks for the 12 months centered on that point. We pause the replay and shift the focus time to when the stocks appear to be at their lowest. Now, mousing over each in turn highlights the wide variation in how far the different stocks fell and how quickly each recovered. Of course, these visualizations are just examples. Depending on business needs, CEO Vision would be connected to a customer's own sources of data, analytics and recommenders, and action mechanisms such as report generation or stock trades.